Is it right to revival extinct animals? The International Union for Conservation of Nature, IUCN, has expressed strong concern about the initiative by the American company Colossal Biosciences to revive the extinct dire wolf, Inoscion dirus, through gene editing in gray wolves, Canis lupus. The main focus of the IUCN's criticism is the risk that the idea of de-extinction diminishes conservation efforts for currently threatened species. The conservation organization argues that the belief in the possibility of reviving extinct species could divert attention and crucial resources needed to prevent further extinctions. The IUCN emphasizes that the creation of genetically modified gray wolves, even with superficial similarities to dire wolves, does not represent a true return of the extinct species. More alarming is the potential negative impact of this initiative on public perception of extinction, which could diminish the urgency of protecting existing biodiversity. Despite Colossal Biosciences' announcement of the creation of genetically edited animals, presented as dire wolves, and the company's defense of the project as a scientific breakthrough, the International Union for Conservation of Nature, IUCN, raises complex ethical and scientific questions. The organization emphasizes that de-extinction is not a simple process, and that extinct species played specific ecological roles in their original ecosystems, which may no longer exist or be unsuitable for the reintroduction of a genetically modified species. In short, the IUCN's criticism serves as a crucial reminder of the need to prioritize the protection of living species and their habitats. The organization argues that conservation efforts should focus on concrete actions to prevent further biodiversity loss, rather than pinning hopes on future and uncertain technological solutions, such as de-extinction. The debate on the ethics and viability of de-extinction has been reignited by this initiative, with the scientific and conservationist community divided over its potential benefits and risks for wildlife conservation. Colossal Biosciences generated a great deal of attention by announcing the supposed resurrection of the dire wolf, which has been extinct for 10,000 years, combining the science of de-extinction with the power of Hollywood. The project, driven by investments from figures such as Peter Jackson and George R.R. Martin, and with a strong appeal to pop culture, sparked an intense debate about the veracity of de-extinction and its implications for animal conservation. Despite the extensive media coverage, including references to Game of Thrones, experts question the real nature of the animals presented. Doubts remain as to whether the pups are in fact dire wolves or just gray wolves genetically modified to resemble the extinct species. The strong ties to the entertainment industry are central to Colossal Biosciences' strategy, raising concerns about whether the primary focus is on the science of de-extinction or the media spectacle. While supporters of the project present it as a scientific breakthrough, the IUCN has expressed skepticism, warning that it risks diverting attention and resources from protecting endangered species by creating a false sense of reversibility of extinction. The controversy surrounding Colossal Biosciences' dire wolf highlights the complex relationship between genetic engineering, the allure of Hollywood, and the challenges of animal conservation. The promise of bringing back extinct creatures captures the imagination, but the debate over the scientific authenticity and ethical implications of this quest for de-extinction continues to rage. Colossal Biosciences, calling itself the de-extinction company, expands its ambitions beyond the dire wolf controversy, targeting the resurrection of iconic extinct animals such as the woolly mammoth, the Tasmanian tiger, and the dodo, the latter a symbol of biodiversity loss.